This is a short introduction to content and functionality found in the Sources tabs of Lexis Advanced Tax. In each jurisdictional practice area of Lexis Advanced Tax, federal, state and local, and U.S. international, you'll see a Sources tab prominently located at the far right. This is a centralized location where you can perform multiple research tasks. When you first click on the Sources tab, you'll immediately notice the alphabetical links below the search bar, as well as the alphabetical list of all tax sources beneath it. This feature is one way to quickly locate a favored treatise or other source by name. Suppose you wanted to search or browse Rabkin & Johnson Federal Tax Guidebook. From within any of the practice area pages, federal, state and local, or U.S. international, you can click on the Sources tab. Then, just by clicking on the alphabetical index, easily locate your source. The second way that you can locate specific content is to filter all sources using the category, jurisdiction, practice area, and other filters found on the left. Finally, the third way to locate a source by name is to begin typing that name in the Narrow By search field. As you type, the word wheel will display the full source title. To retrieve the full source, you must click on the displayed title in the drop-down. Then simply click the Search button. Now let's talk for a moment about some of the helpful functionality available on the Sources tab. Once you've located the desired source, you can access its expandable table of contents. Or, using the drop-down arrow, you can save the source as a favorite, retrieve all chapters or sections of the source in site list format using Get All Source Documents. You can view source information. Finally, you can select one or more sources to include in a search using the magnifying glass icon. Selecting one or more sources narrows your search or filters it to run against only that specific content. You can keep track of any sources you've selected in the Narrow By area as well as by the number that appears on the Filter button. Here, 2 sources. You'll likely find that there are particular sources or combinations of sources that you turn to frequently. One click on the star will retain them for future use as favorites. They'll appear on each search tab in your Recent and Favorite Sources pod for as long as you like. Meanwhile, your filters or source selections will remain in effect until you clear them. Note that they'll also carry over to any searches you run on the Search tab. To remove this restriction, you can either click on the X found on each source title or the Clear link. This introduction explored how the Sources tab can give you precise control and flexibility in your research. Please view other Lexis Advanced Tax videos for more time-saving tips.